Good evening. I am making myself a little egg drop soup. I made refrigerator soup and I'm going to add some protein to it from Half-Ass Farm. And there's also chicken bouillon that is homemade by Half-Ass Farm that I put into the broth here. So I have to shut this down for a moment and then I'll be back because I'm just holding my phone. Okay, I'm back. The eggs are amazing. And when I do this, I don't stir it too much. I let it set up a little bit. It's definitely not like what you would get in your local Chinese restaurant, but I really do like it. I've made this, I don't know, for about 3 or 4 years now in the winter. It's easy, it's yummy, it's full of good vegetables, bone broth, and let's see, what else is in here? We have carrots, potatoes, onions. I put garlic in it, celery. The mix that I have has lentils in it, and it also had barley, which is a big favorite of mine. Yum! Thank you, Erica and James.